Welcome to Leeds College, Peshawar. My name is Inayat Afridi and I am a lecturer of English and Comparative Literature at Leeds College English Department. My today's lecture is about ETEA MCQs, and in this important lecture I have selected just one MCQs. This short MCQs will be discussed in detail, and also I will be discussing an important clues, and in the end I will find the synonym category of the word cover. What exactly the MCQs number 1 reads? The MCQs number 1 reads, to counter terror attacks, the intelligence agencies have launched a cover operations against the terrorist. Now we have the underlined word right here, a covert operation, and we have been given 4 options, including number 1, secret, number 2, dominate, number 3, verbalize, and number 4, espionage. Now we need to find the word among the options which is close in meaning to the words a covert. Our task is to find the synonym of the word covert. Before we discuss that one, it is important to understand the historical origin of the word cover. Remember that the word cover was initially introduced in 14th century according to Merriam-Webster dictionary. But if you look at the the Webster Encyclopedia, according to that one, the word cover is from the Middle English or from the Old French and from the Latin word, and that is actually cooperate, and cooperate means secret and confidential. Now the point is completely understood that the word cover according to Webster Encyclopedia means secret and confidential, and according to this context we can easily find the word from the option. Covert means secret. Option number 1 agrees. After that, now I'm going to find the synonym categories of the word cover. Remember, the covert has many meanings. Number 1, secluded. Number 2, cloistered. Number 3, secret. Number 4, confidential. Like if we revisit the sentence as to counter terror attacks, intelligence agencies have launched a secret operations against terrorists, or we can use the sentence as that to counter terror attacks, the intelligence agencies have launched cloister operations against the terrorists. You can use the given word in many contexts. It is many synonyms already discussed. Keep in touch with English. Have a nice time. Thank you very much for time.